Okay. Good morning, how are you? Happy New Year to you too. Oh, this lady's got some wonderful hats for sale here. How much are these?
Very cheap. $5.
$5. Oh, look at this girl. She has the doggy there. Hello, how are you? Ooh la la, will you look at this? Just pulling back at the back of the beach here. There's also ladies that can give you massage on the beach. Ladies just giving massage there in the...
Call Bintang. I call fish Mike. Yeah, I call fish.
Morning, ma'am. How are you? Very tired. Morning, how are you, sir? Good morning. $1.
Yeah, $1. Money no honey.
No money, no honey. It's everywhere here along the back of the beach. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Bali. Thank you, brother. Hello, how are you? Hello. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali. It's November the 3rd. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a walking tour of a section of Kuta Beach. Okay, so featured in today's video is going to be a walking tour of Bali's probably most famous beach, Kuta Beach. So for those of you that are not familiar with Kuta Beach, this is going to be a very useful video for you today. I'm going to take a stroll from the Kuta Beach sign, which is located behind me, all the way through to the main gate entrance opposite the Hard Rock Hotel. So along this section of beach, you're going to find many sellers selling drinks and food, surfboard lessons. There's going to be some clothing and market stalls available also. So without any further ado, let's go and take a stroll along Kuta Beach. Okay, so there's the name, Kuta Beach, sunset in the last paradise is the motto underneath the Kuta Beach. So the beach stretches from the right there, that's the Kuta Beach also. We're going to be walking left in today's video. This is Jalan Pantai Kuta, many shops, restaurants, things will be found along the beach there. We're going to take you in this direction, heading towards the Hard Rock Hotel. So now we've got this beautiful pathway all along the back of the beach. This will be all the way along the walk today. Have some drink sellers here at the back of the beach selling coconuts, soft drinks, beers. Have a toilet facility in the back there, ladies and men's. There's the coconuts. Some of the drinks available, all in ice cold as well. And we have a collection of seating also, plastic chairs, wooden tables, all along the back of the beach. Usually goes in stages, and then closest to the ocean you have some sun lounges. These are wooden sun lounges, soft cushion tops. All the seating is free as long as you're eating and drinking from the little food stalls at the back and drink sellers. And now we're going to take you down to the water's edge just so you can see. This is a popular surfing beach this, however the waves don't look too big today. There is many people surfing in the ocean in the distance there. I'll give you a pan from right to left. Okay, so I'm back on the pathway now at the back of the beach. Just here at the back of the beach we have some cold coconuts available for sale. I've just asked this guy, these are 35,000. Also have some store holders selling drinks as well here. All your beers and soft drinks. Surfboards rental. Just continue walking along the beach. Many surfboard rentals available here at the back of the beach. Some nice seating areas also to the back there. Some little stores selling some clothes and sarongs, hats and things at the back of the beach here. Hello, good morning, how are you? Happy New Year to you too. Many surfboards here. Hello, good morning. Nice seating area here also. More cold coconuts available there at the back of the beach. Some coffees, soft drinks and things I see also. Good morning. Some stalls selling all your snacks and things here as well. Some Pringles, some pot noodles, some biscuits. Hello, good morning. How are you, sir?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello. Oh, look at this. Oh,
Very cool. Where you from?
blow dart.
It's a blow dart. Nice. Can you smaller you bring up there?
Oh, so people can pack in the suitcase, yeah?
This is like this one. Very light, not too heavy.
Okay.
This is a good food for shoot. Where you from, boss?
I'm from England, but I live in Bali.
UK, yeah. This is good. Okay.
Okay.
Only 20 quid, boss.
Just continuing on along the line, we have some more stores here. Selling some nice shells, nice bracelets and things, some beautiful flowers, big collections of bracelets there. Good morning, how are you? Happy New Year to you too. Oh, this lady's got some wonderful hats for sale here. How much are these?
Very cheap.
How-
$5.
$5. Oh, okay.
3,000.
Thank you.
Yeah, you buy it. Why?
More surfboards for rent. We have some more sellers here at the back of the beach. All your beers, soft drinks. Hello, good morning. Oh, look at this girl. She has the doggy there. Hello, how are you? Hello, good morning. Maureen's Bar and Massage here. Many surfboard rental companies all along the back of the beach. Many seating areas also. Sky looks as though he's giving a surf lesson here now. Hello, good morning. How are you, brother?
I'm good, and you?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Let's get some noodles then.
So this place here has got these things for sale. This guy's having his noodles now. Lots of people selling drinks and coffees, coconuts, many things available at the back of the beach here. This is the cheap coffee, Nescafe ABC, coffee Indo mix, cold coffee also. Lots of snacks available there. Some fresh coconuts as well. Nice collection of soft drinks here, hot waters also. Some more surfboard rental at the back of the beach there. All plastic chairs with plastic tables, umbrellas. A little seating area here at this restaurant, or Warung. Some more of the drinks available here. And fresh coconuts. Hello. Just cutting back in to show you the beach again at this location. Another surfing lesson going on down there. Back on the path again now. You can see all those chairs, plastic chairs, umbrellas, tables all at the back of the beach. It's all pretty much same. Have a surf school here. It's just giving the lessons now there to the people.
Pedal down together. You must try step by step. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Must be low coming to high tide because the ocean's in the distance, but coming in. Some coconuts here again. Ooh la la, will you look at this? Daddy and Mum. Here we have another cellar at the back of the beach again. Coconuts, beers, soft drinks. Baby surf. Many people can help you out if you want surfing here. David 378, this surfboard school or rental. Got some beautiful seating here at the back of the beach. Pretty much is the same all along, many food and drink sellers. Coke, Aqua, iced tea, pulpy orange, coconuts. Coconut. Just pulling back at the back of the beach here. There's also ladies that can give you massage on the beach. Ladies just giving massage there in the back. Hello, good morning.
You not massage?
No, me not massage.
Why?
I have many massages. I live in Bali. So we have these little sellers here as well, coming around, walking around, selling you snacks, cigarettes and things like that.
Call bintang. Call
This nice,
bintang.
no nice.
I call fish Mike. Yeah, I call fish.
How much you buy this one?
I don't smoke.
Drink, brother. Just call one.
Thank you so much.
Don't drink.
Of lots. Everyone's trying to sell you something. Some more ladies here selling towels and sarongs at the back of the beach. Hello, good morning, how are you? These sarongs, yeah? No, I don't need sarong, thank you.
What you need, bracelet?
Just at this little seating area here, we have some beanbag seating. Let's continue walking along the beach here. You see all the beautiful seating all the way along. You have a mixture of plastic chairs, wooden tables, plastic chairs, plastic tables, soft beanbag seating. Oh la la, this man at the back here has so many coconuts available for sale. So a nice collection of drinks. There's all your Smirnoff, Mix Max. So at the back of the beach here we have a place called Bali Bar. Oh, has cider and Guinness, this guy also. That's the first time I've seen that here. More coconuts. EO Surf School, Bali. There's all the details on the board there. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning, ma'am. How are you? Very tired. Good, thank you. Happy New Year to you. Morning, brother. How are you?
Good, good, brother. How about you?
Good, good. So now we've reached this section. We're on a bit of a ledge now at this section. We've built a wall up here. Still Kuta Beach. No, thank you, brother. Morning. Some more clothes and towels. If you need a towel for the beach, the Bintang Bali towels here. Also some sarongs if you want to use a sarong.
It can be like coach.
Hello, good morning, how are you? Another lady at the back of the beach here selling all your drinks and beers and things. Lots of sellers here. Hello, good morning. Morning, madam, how are you? Have a bakso seller here. And the pans at the back. Hello, good morning. Eki bar. NBN surf lessons available here also. Many cold drinks and things in the back there. Another toilet facility, men and ladies in the back also. It's continuing on along the path now. Toilets in the back, more drinks and coconut sellers here again. Morning. I think that guy must have been sleeping. Setting the hammock up there. And then now at this point, this leads out back onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. Have the Heritage Hotel in the distance there. Starbucks coffee shop, Circle K. Kuta Becks there. Have a lady selling some sarongs, shorts, clothes and things here. Many pairs of shorts, men's, boys, hats, caps.
See, like this one.
This lady's got some sarongs here.
Buy one. Cheap.
Buy one cheap.
Get one, darling.
Have this guy here setting all the drinks in the ice now at the back in the cooler. Hello, little girl. Hello. Nice seating areas here at the back. Have another guy setting up with the ice here, so you've got your cool beers. Hello, good morning. How are you, sir?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. It's just stall after stall selling drinks, coconuts, food. Many great seating areas here. Some clothes and things every now and again. Sarongs. Hello, good morning. How are you? Oh, this lady's walking around now selling lots of bracelets. $1.
Yeah, $1. Money no honey.
No money, no honey.
$1.
Thank you. Harry Surf School here. Oh, this seating area here has got plastic chairs, plastic tables, all with coconuts on. There's a look at your beach area again here. Many people in the ocean, Indonesian and tourists I see. So this is Kuta Beach. You're not going to go short of surfboard rental, you're not going to go short of drinks and coconuts everywhere here along the back of the beach. Hello, good morning. And welcome to Bali. Thank you, brother. Coconuts every single where. Oh my God, look at the size of that one there. Wow. So big. Tourists are already. This lady's cutting this gentleman's ears here, or ear hair. Hello, good morning ladies, how are you? This lady's got another collection of bracelets here at the back of the beach.
Just buy one.
I don't need one, thank you. This lady's doing the coffees and things here at the back of the beach, also the pot noodles. She has the hot water flask there. No, I don't need coffee, I'm just showing your little store here. Bintang, pot me's. Can I come and see your coffees and juices, yeah? Hello? Hello, how are you? Hello? So this lady's got a nice collection. Nutrisari, I have these myself. This is a beautiful juice drink. Lychee. Indo milk coffees. Many different varieties of coffees. Many different varieties of the Nutrisari. Orange. Grape, sweet mango. Cappuccino, Milo. It's all in the back there. Got a little bit of a step down to the beach area here. More surfboard rental. And these sellers still at the back of the beach selling all your beers and drinks. Have Jerry Bar here and surf lesson. It's just in the back there. Another toilets facility here also in the back. And then this is our last section now, and we've arrived at the big gates. What's this? This guy has a
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you, brother.
Yeah.
And then the pathway just continues on along the track there. However, we've reached the main gates now. This is as far as I'm going in today's video. Back out onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. This is a great street in this direction, featuring many shops and restaurants. And that's going back and heading back to the way we've just walked from.